What's happening in Zimbabwe's political arena? The story begins in August 2023 when the presidential elections were held and Emmerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner. This result, however, was met with stark criticism and refusal to acknowledge Mnangagwa's victory by former Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, leader Nelson Chamisa. Many election observer missions also expressed concerns that the elections were not free, fair, or credible. Chamisa's journey took a twist when he decided to leave the CCC. The reason? Sengezo Tshabangu, who claimed to be the interim Secretary General of the party, recalled several legislators linked to Chamisa. This move, according to Chamisa, was orchestrated by proxies of Mnangagwa's ruling ZANU PF party, effectively hijacking his party. In the wake of these events, Chamisa launched his own news channel and declared his intentions to address the country's problems without waiting for the 2028 elections. His words echo a sense of urgency and a call for unity, love, and mutual support to overcome the challenges Zimbabwe faces. The story doesn't end here. The recent introduction of the Zimbabwe Gold, or ZiG currency, has stirred the waters even more. How are the citizens coping with this new currency? Chamisa has been curious about this, asking his followers about their experiences since its launch. Meanwhile, the ZiG's trading value fluctuates on the parallel market, with government's official exchange rate standing at 13 ZiG to $1. This new currency, however, has had a ripple effect on the economy. Prices of basic goods have shot up and the cost of living crisis is palpable. Salaries are being outpaced by prices, rendering wage increments virtually worthless and posing challenges for businesses trying to keep up with rising inflation. The food poverty line has also seen a sharp increase, rising by over 51% to 424.95 ZiG. This comes as the annual inflation rate for April accelerated to 57.5%. In an attempt to curb the rapid depreciation of the Zim dollar, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor John Mushayavanhu last week said authorities are considering using cryptocurrency as one of 4 options. In summary, Zimbabwe's political and economic landscape is undergoing significant shifts. From the controversial presidential elections and the departure of Chamisa from the CCC to the launch of the new ZiG currency and its impact on the economy. The country now waits to see how these events will unfold and shape its future.